Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Daniel with Average Canisters. So today I have a new product that I want to go ahead and review with you, and that is a dry food dispenser. So I'm having issues with space around my kitchen, and there's all kinds of cereal boxes everywhere, and I just want to create some space. So I got this product here, and to see what it's all about and see if this is a good product to buy on Amazon. It's going for 30 bucks, used like new, but if you buy it brand new, it'll cost you around $35 or so. But anyway, go ahead and open it up and see what's it all about. Oh man. So as you can see, I got a double food dispenser. There are single food dispensers, but I got the double food dispenser. So there's a total of 9 different pieces of components here. You got your base, and then you got your main components here where the cereal is gonna be in. Pretty cool. The knobs, pretty cool knobs. Everything's pretty cheap plastic, nothing that's standing out of the ordinary, including these components. Everything is plastic, just to let you know. We're gonna go ahead and assemble it based off of the picture. As you can see, there's no step-by-step. It's just straight up. Here's the picture of the map of how you're gonna put it together, and go ahead and do it. So I guess there's no step-by-step. This goes in here. Oh yeah. All right, this one goes right here. Boom, connection completed. This is gonna go, I'm assuming, right here. Boom. What? And this is gonna go right here. All right, here we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and get this top. Put it right there. Right there. Alright, so now I get these components. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I think this is the hardest part of assembling this thing, is opening up these plastic bags. Alright. And then you're gonna have this little nice shiny thing that's plastic. And then you got these little toppers here, which are gonna pretty much go here. So I'm gonna have to push. Same concept here. Again, the hardest part of putting this together is opening these wrappers. All right. Right. Fairly simple. And there you go. Pretty fast and simple. Awesome. Well, and now let's go ahead and put some stuff in here and see how it's gonna, hold up. All right, some Fruit Loops. All right, open up this up. Fruit Loops, let's go. Woohoo! Have some Fruit Loops. All right. Hang on. Get in there. All right, put some in here too. Go ahead and see how well this works. Oh man. Okay, here's the next step. All right, so as you can see, this is, I would say this is a regular bowl, good sized little bowl of cereal, and I can't even fit my bowl in here. Boo. Come on now. Alright, so let's go ahead and bust out this other bowl. All right, there you go. So you got these two type of bowls right here, and as you can see, you know, the bowl will fit in there, but you got to make sure that you scoop and it goes right in. But then obviously you're gonna have to go down, and hopefully your cereal doesn't fall out. So you know, you want to get a shallow type of bowl that's kind of more, you know, able to, you know, like this one right here. Let's see, 1.5 inches will be perfect. A perfect bowl to slide right in, you know. But if you have something more than 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches in height, you're pretty much gonna be having to go downwards and then come back out. Let's go ahead and try it out with the 2-inch height bowl and see how that works. Hey, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I would say 8 good turns. I mean, wrist turns, and you're good with a good size bowl. All right, now we go again. Let's see, 1 full turn, 2 full turns, 3 full turns, 4 full turns. Oh, cool. Yeah, 4 full turns. Make sure you push the thing down really hard. Make sure it's right in. Make sure that rubber piece catches the edges, and then you could hear it pop. And then that kind of makes sure that you know, cover is nice and, you know, in there. I'm not sure if it's gonna wear and tear, as everything does, and it might get loose, and you might end up losing this. You know, these components, small little covers tend to get lost. So you do get crumbs here and there, so you might have to like get a wipe and clean all the crumbs out, because eventually it's gonna, if you leave it like that, it's gonna accumulate and it's just gonna get all nasty. So there's a little notch right here where you could grab this piece and take it right out. Just really quick rag, clean it up, and you should be good to go. But yeah, I mean, it's really nice, you know. Oh yeah, like I said, you gotta be careful. You know, hold on, because this is really not like on too well. It's just straight up, hey, there you go, just like that, it slides right in. So pushing it up, it's gonna come right out. So you gotta be careful with that. And I could see someone accidentally doing what I just did and making a mess all over the floor. So yeah, just hold this, push it in tight. You'll hear the cover snap, and you should be good to go. Like I said, it comes out right out, and I like it. I think it organizes my cereal, you know, cabinet a little bit much better. You know, where I put my cereal. If I get another one of these, I think it would go nicely on my covers. But again, you know, just wanted to go ahead and share it with y'all and see what y'all thought. You tell me what you think. Is it worth $35 or $30? If you think it's worth it, go ahead and again put it down in the comments below. So thank you so much for joining me on this double food dispenser product review. Again, as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and I'll catch you on the flip side.